Good morning, pretty gang. What's up? What's poppin'? So y'all want to see another day with me, day in my life? Here we go. This was yesterday. Y'all already know, of course. I check my emails. I'm editing. First thing in the morning is 7 a.m. Next thing I do, get ready, and we're going to the nail supply. Okay. So this particular day, I didn't know what I was looking for, but I got there literally when they opened at 9 a.m. And so I was like, you know what? Let me just see if they have some files. Let me see maybe if I can replace, if they have a sale on knot polish or anything like that. So I really was just in here just killing time because I took off most of the day. So yeah, that's just what it is. And you know what? No black files. So guess who left the store empty-handed? You guys, I was so sad. They don't even know when their black files are coming in. I was like, damn, I really left empty-handed. Like, damn. So I went back home so I could go ahead and make sure this video uploads. I was meeting my homegirl at the gym. Like I said, I took off pretty much most of the day. My only client was at 5 p.m. because I did not know how long we was going to be at the gym or anything like that. So before I went to the gym, I went ahead to go and get some avocado toast on a bagel. Noah's Bagels is really good, you guys. Except for this. I did not like this, okay? I got my avocado toast and I thought it was going to be good. First of all, I'm gonna show you what it looks like, okay? I did not think it was gonna be on a sesame seed bagel, and it didn't taste seasoned, and it just wasn't good. I dropped it on the side of my car before we went into the gym, and I was just distraught. I wasted $5.32, okay? So, Planet Fitness, here we come. They're my homegirl. What's up, Tiff? We were there for probably about an hour, got some good work in, did what the we supposed to do. You guys already know I be on the cardio. Although we did do a full body workout though. Like, we did a number of things. So, you know, that was cool. And there she go, y'all. She played too much. So there I am, period, friend. And after that, we decided to go ahead and get something to eat. We sat in the parking lot for a while. And I'm not gonna tell y'all, this man started up his motorcycle. It sounded like the motorcycle fell apart. It was just clanking and jangling and just doing a little too much, you know. So we decided on California Pizza Kitchen. You guys, it was horrible. All of our glasses was dirty. She wouldn't take them back. She gave everybody service except for us. And then on top of that, she never brought me my actual drink. So we was very excited to eat here. Like, ooh, it's gonna be good. But you know, she serviced us, came back quick to come pick up that money. I was so irritated. And after that, I was pretty tired. It was after 2. I went ahead and took my ass to sleep for about an hour. And then I went to work. So, like I said, I had only one client at 5 p.m. So, I came to come and do her nails. Of course, I set up my room a little bit. She was a new client. And I asked her, okay, so Ms. Mamas, what you want to do? She wanted a blue on blue ombre with a bandana print nail. I have never done bandana print. I'm not going to lie. It was just, I feel like I did just okay. I think next time I would concentrate less on having a reference picture and more on kind of doing my own thing, if that makes sense. So, I don't know. This technique, look, don't take it to heart. I end up erasing this or whatever. So, honestly, you guys, this video is really short because I didn't have very much to do. It was a very, casual day. I was just really taking my time, you know, doing what I wanted to do. This is one of my days. I consider this kind of like a day off, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah, so here is the final results. I probably will be uploading again later on tonight or today or whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and I hope you guys look forward to more days in my life, day with me. You guys, I have some exciting things coming to my channel. I have more exciting news. Things are just really coming the freak together. It's really honestly crazy. I really appreciate you guys for your support, everything like that. You guys continue to subscribe, turn on your notifications. Of course, this is where I clean up. It's the end of my day. I went home, had some Chick-fil-A, which was bomb. Really went to sleep. So that was my day. That was my Friday. And I'll see you guys in the next one.